front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and downloading your new default app, in my case Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Now access Settings, choose Apps over here and click on Default Apps. Following that, you need to select one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, tap on my Opera and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!